Hi, I'm Daniel from Alpro Physio and today we'll be talking about slip disc. When a slip disc occurs, the disc pokes out the back and it disturbs the nerves nearby. The symptoms that you feel may come and go based on whether or not the disc is touching the nerve. If the disc touches the nerve, you feel pain and tingling sensations going down. It is common for individuals with slip disc to complain of back pain, especially when they flex their body forward. The pain that they feel may start from the back, goes down the buttock, behind the thighs, and sometimes down below the knees. For our very first exercise, lay on stomach with your arms relaxed, head facing down or turn to one side, take deep breaths and relax. Hold this position for 5 minutes and repeat this 1 to 2 times a day. And now we'll progress to the next exercise. Only do this when the pain from the previous exercise has decreased. And now for the second step, just lay on your stomach, place your elbows under your shoulders so that you're resting on your forearms. Take deep breaths and relax. Hold it 30 seconds and repeat it 10 times. Perform it 1 to 2 times a day. And now for the very last progression. Just lay in your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, slowly straighten your elbows, keeping the lower body relaxed while raising the back upwards as far as pain will allow. Hold it for 10 seconds, repeat this 10 times and 1 to 2 times a day. And now for the very next exercise, what I would like you to do is stand against a wall, take one step forward, turn around, lean one hand against the wall and lean your hip into the wall. Repeat this action 10 to 12 times. In case you're wondering which side do you lean to, well, if you're having pain down the left leg, down the left buttock, have your right leg facing the wall and lean into the left side. And for the final exercise, we would like to bend both knees. Turn it to one side while maintaining the head position. Hold this for 15 seconds before switching to the other side. And repeat. Hold it for another 15 seconds before going back up and to the other side. Repeat this for 5 repetitions and do this 1 to 2 times a day.